Hey people, got another video. Going to be doing the, I think this is the August, I don't even know anymore, I can't keep up with it, but nobody watches it so it doesn't matter. We're doing the update for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. I don't know who, the S21 Plus Ultra 5G, who knows. 24%. We're at about 818 right now. Let's go click and see. Might have to cut away if it shows you some personal info I don't want you to see. Well, it's going to do that any second because I just got a message. We're going to install now. 8:18 p.m. Yeah, I definitely got a message. I'm going to have to cut away. Okay, so make sure you check out my channel. I know you don't watch this, but check out my channel. I got some awesome videos. Whoa, this is quick. That was fast. Oh, baby, was that fast? Whew, that was like 30 seconds. Please, can I have more? Can I have more downloading and uploading? Let's see how fast it does its little thingy. We got my Samsung totally out of focus. I didn't set this up on a tripod. There we go. We got some nice focus. You know, it's amazing when you do a 30-second download and it takes you 8 minutes for it to install. So, I have no idea what these updates do. All I know is that I'm posting a video so you can watch nothing, and you can click on nothing, and you can subscribe, so you can subscribe to nothing, and so you can not click the notification bell, and so you can not do any likes, and so you cannot leave donations. Just video that I post that nobody watches. That's what I do. August 3rd, 2022. I don't know. The camera says I've been recording for 2 minutes. There's no way this is going to be more than about a 4-minute video. It's going to go fast, dear. It's going to be over before you know it. We're at 2 minutes and 10 seconds. We're watching the little androidal, whatever that thing is. Is that a Roboto? We're watching that do its thing. Okay, this might be a 5-minute video. We're at 2.5. We're not even halfway downloaded. It's got to do its optimization and all that stuff that nobody's even watching right now. If you were watching this video and you were at this location at this point in the video, do you have a life? Why are you watching this? Please leave a comment and let me know why you have continued to watch to this point of 2 minutes and 57 seconds. I thought this was going to be over in no time. So let me tell you what's going on. I bought a donut, and I thought, nah, I don't really need this donut. Let me go take it over to my neighbor. She's moving out soon. And it'll make her happy. And then knocked on the door. They didn't answer. I know they saw me on the Ring Cam. Never answered. So I said, okay, I'm taking the donut home. Put it in the car. Got home. In my memory, my recollection is I came inside. The dog was excited, and I thought I put it out on a box next to the door. And then I put it out of the way so the dog wouldn't get to it. And then I walked the dog, and then I took a nap, and I woke up and I went, where's my donut? I have no idea. The donut is literally, it's lost. I went in the car, I went, did I leave it in the car? Did I leave it in the sack? Did I leave it in my shopping sack? Not in my sack. I checked both sacks. Not in the sacks. Went in the back seat, well, I gotta look in the back seat again. Did it slide under the car seat? I don't know. I looked in the car and I thought, it's not here. And I went back in the house and I looked like 3 or 4 times. Checked the doghouse, checked the other places she sleeps, looked for a bag, looked for donut particles, looked for the little sack the donut came in. There's no way she would have eaten a plastic bag or she'd be very sick and in trouble right now. So it's not in here. I don't know where it went. My donut is lost. So tomorrow, I'm going to go in the car. I'm going to look and see if it's under the seat. I don't know why it would be under the seat. Maybe it slid under the seat when I was driving. I don't know. It was kind of dark when I was looking for my donut. And we are at 4 minutes and 41 seconds. So I couldn't find my donut, and I want my donut. I want to eat it right now. I want to eat it so I can think about her. Well, I can't say that. I want to think about the gift that I was going to give her that she didn't answer the door, so I'm eating it now. And I'm going to eat it real good. But I don't know where the heck it is. Maybe it's gone. Did I throw it in the garbage? I wouldn't do that. I know I wanted to give it away so I didn't get the calories, but then I brought it in the house. I have no idea where my donut is. And while I'm saying that, at 5 minutes and 14 seconds, I'm looking all over the place. I'm looking all over the room right now. It's not to be found. And I found a little bag and I went, okay, that came from the donut store, but maybe that's from when I was there a few weeks ago, because there is no sack inside the donut bag. And if there's not a sack inside a sack, there wasn't a donut in there. And I'm looking around on my computer table, there's no sack. So if you know where my donut is, if somebody watching this has gotten to this point of almost 6 minutes and could tell me where my sack has gone and where my donut is, it was a maple donut, delicious. It's out of focus, but I don't really want to go all the way up here like this. Come on, focus, just focus. You don't have enough light. I turned off the camera for focus, and you missed the big red hello from Verizon, and you weren't really watching, so you don't really care. It just does not like to focus on this thing. Let's zoom out. There we are. I love these wheels. I would love to see this as a screensaver. Watching the gears turning. That was quick. We're not done yet, because if I click the screen, you're going to see that it's still installing, but I've got something, an email that showed up, so I got to make sure you don't see that. We're finishing. We're finishing. And yeah, somebody please find my donut for me. Gotta find my donut. So this turned out to be an 8-minute video that nobody's gonna watch. Nobody will have gotten to this point. Nobody. Unless they don't have a life. But I'll put 8 minutes worth of commercials on here. And I will post the video, and then I will go and, well, I think the donut's definitely not inside, but I could swear I put it inside to make sure the dog couldn't get to it. So, but I can't find it, which means it's not in here. And I looked in the cart, unless it just went under the seat. When I walk the dog to it comes up here. Check your software updates. So it's still in progress. No, I guess we just finished. Did we just finish? There it is. What is this? Today, this just goes to show you. Today is August 3rd, and we just installed the July 7th update. Last month, was July something, and I said, wait, why are we installing the June update? So this whole thing is a month off. Thanks for watching my channel. Don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, notification, donations. Bye.